I'm just gonna grab my tools. Try to find a maintenance road. Brakes. Service. Would you like to retry car brakes? Yes. Service mode not available. Okay. Yes. Now we wait. I've never seen it take this long before. Service mode. Try again. Honestly, I'm tired and I just want to do the brakes already. Done this 2 times, so let's figure out what's wrong. I don't know, I'm just shut it off. I broke a caliper bolt. Let's see what happens, game. Actually, before I do any of that, I'm gonna try to unthread it. Yeah, it's working. so I don't know if you guys could tell, but that didn't need brakes at all. But yeah, I did the brakes anyway. Now I'm gonna do a canister filter, I think, on the ProMaster. I don't know what I'm doing. We're finally getting a tire for the Altima and putting it on today, so there's that.
It fits it.
I said now I am.
I just went for a walk. I've been sick for the past couple days, but I came home and realized on the Altima. Welcome back to another episode of my car gets broken while fixing everyone else's. Come on, that's crazy. And yeah, you definitely need a new tire. That's balder than freaking Squidward right now. That's balder than Squidward right now. I can't believe it, dude. Actually, we just replaced the other tire recently, and it was pretty bad too. Like, down to the metal. It almost blew out. Anyways, I'm gonna go rest because I'm still sick, but yeah. Pray for the Altima. We'll take care of her when we can.
Sometimes it'll come out of cracks. Possible it may have come out.
I don't remember if this one was just a lot of movement or if it was the one that was leaking.
Yeah, I can't remember either. You're doing pretty good to be already having that one in there.
I just got home after work and Capri Tools just sent me so many tools and I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. Actually, I can't believe it. Like, it's actually crazy to me. These are tools that I actually don't have and like I actually need. So this is gonna be really helpful for me at work because these are gonna really come in handy. Like this universal impact set, I've been struggling like with my swivels, and these swivels are just gonna help so much. This is a 3/8 swivel set, and this I feel like is gonna come in the most handy, but also all of this stuff is gonna come in handy. This breaker bar is so long, it's gonna be so helpful for alignments. And I finally got a ratchet set. 21 is a common size that I run into like for brake caliper bracket and subframe bolts, so this is gonna come in handy for sure. I've said come in handy a lot, but I mean that's just the best way to explain it. I'm really excited about this set. I'll probably use this like the most, like all the time. So yeah, thank you so much, Capri Tools. This is amazing, and I'll probably never stop talking about it. I'm very grateful. And yeah, I'll probably be using a lot of these tools when I do the brakes on the Altima. I have an update video about that in itself, but anyways, thank you so much, Capri Tools. Yeah, I'm just really grateful. Go check them out. Yeah, go check them out. I actually use their torque sticks already every day since I first started being a mechanic. So yeah, and they work great. I've never had any problems. So yeah, these are so nice that I almost want to keep them at home. But yeah, Capri Tools is the go.